Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable automatic verification in Apple ID. So guys, if you want to enable your automatic verification in Apple ID, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to enable the automatic verification in Apple ID. Tap on the settings app, tap on the Apple ID and little bit scroll up, tap on sign in and security. You can see appears on screen many options. Simply little bit scroll up, tap on account verification. You can see appears on screen access app and website faster and easier, bypass in apps and on the web by allowing iCloud to automatically and privately verify your device and account. Tap on automatic verification to turn it on. Little bit scroll up, you can see appears on screen automatic verification is enabled. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to enable the Apple ID automatic verification on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.